Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zoho CRM affiliate pipelines and tags, full guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring affiliate pipelines and tags in Zoho CRM, access your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Pipelines option. Review the existing pipelines to ensure that you have the correct one to restore. If a pipeline is missing, click on the plus New Pipeline button to start the restoration process. Enter a name for the new pipeline that matches the one you need. Next, define the stages of the pipeline by clicking on Add Stage. Input the stage name and adjust settings like probability %. Once all stages are added, click Save to finalize the pipeline restoration. Now, let's move on to restoring tags. Navigate to the Settings option in the top right corner of your dashboard. Scroll down and select Automation and then choose Tags. To add a new tag, click the plus New Tag button. Enter the name of the tag you want to restore and click Save. Continue this process for each tag you need to recreate. After all tags are restored, ensure they are correctly assigned to your affiliate contacts. To do this, return to the main dashboard and view your contacts. Select a contact, and check the Tags section to add any necessary tags. Repeat this for all relevant contacts to ensure proper organization. Finally, review your pipelines and tags to confirm that everything is set up as intended. Your Zoho CRM affiliate pipelines and tags are now successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.